This is our nice pork up in Hoogsands, and this is one of the many nice pork ups that we have, and we'll show you how to make a nice dinner.
Vi
trenger den.
Ja. Skal du ta halvparten av de 8 oppå der? Spinach. I think we have plenty today. I kind of forgot about the rice. And I think it's going to be a nice meal. Then you can do the rice. It's just about to run it down.
Dette kan være din plate. Ja. That's Mummy's plate.
I'll do a tiny little bit more.
Yes, I think you should.
Okay. We got all lots of the other stuff as well. A little bit. Do you want all of that? That's that.
Okay.
This is yours. Okay. That sounds good. Looks good. I mean.
Which one is yours? Yeah, is yours?
Thank you. It looks really nice. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Wow. That looks super duper.
Butternuts. What do you have to me?
Butternuts, rice, vegan patties, and spinach.
Thank you. Well done.
Yeah, we are very healthy.
That comes straight out of Miss Molly's kitchen.
Yeah.
Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Is it nice?
It's okay.
It's okay. Was that the spinach?
Looks very nice.
Oh, that was the butternut.
That's good.